Father, we know that the gift of love, the gift of marriage was given to us by you. And so, Lord, today we ask that you would bless them, that you would honor them and keep them and help them. Lord, help them to forgive freely. Help them to show their love throughout the rest of their lives. Lord, as they walk together as husband and wife, may you walk with them.
First one.
Yeah! I got 3 more, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm trying to ball. Y'all got a ball. Pick it up. Bring it.
I love you. Do you like it?
It's very pretty.
On behalf of Coleman and Carly, I want to say thank you for your attendance here today as we witness the union of this couple in marriage. We now have the pleasure of seeing our 2 friends present themselves here before God in this company for the purpose of uniting together in marriage. Marriage is an honorable estate given by God, signifying the mystical union between Christ and His church. Matrimony is not to be entered into lightly, but reverently, discreetly, advisedly, soberly, and in the fear of God. It is our prayer that God will continue to bless this couple as they begin their lives together as husband and wife. As you continue to join hands together, please answer the question that I now put before you. Coleman, will you have this woman to be your wedded wife, to live together after God's ordinance in the holy estate of matrimony? Will you love her, honor and keep her in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, keep yourself only unto her so long as you both shall live?
Will.
Carly, will you have this man to be your wedded husband, to live together after God's ordinance in the holy estate of matrimony? Will you love him, comfort him, Honor and keep him in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, keep yourself only unto him, so long as you both shall live.
I will.
Coleman, you may kiss your bride.